Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable Miss Istiqomah MPD as the lecturer of seminar proposal. My name is Endang Sulahatun, NPM 211040037 Advisor Miss Rohmatillah. Here I would like to present my draft proposal. The title is The Effectiveness of Using Magic Box Game Media Towards Student Vocabulary Mastery at Junior High School. So, vocabulary is one of the fundamental aspects of language proficiency. The ability to understand and the use appropriate vocabulary is crucial for effective communication, both verbal and in writing. According to Harner, there are two types of vocabulary, active and passive vocabulary. Active vocabulary refers to words that students have been taught or learned and are expected to be able to use in their own speaking and writing. Passive vocabulary, on the other hand, consists of words that students will recognize but will probably not be able to produce in listening or reading material. A rich vocabulary allows individuals to express their ideas and talk more clearly and accurately and to comprehend complex information more easily. So, even though it is important, mastering vocabulary is often a challenge for students, especially at the junior high school level. Several factors contributed to this challenge include lack of exposure to new vocabulary and less interesting learning method. So, Magic Box is a learning tool designed to help students learn vocabulary in a more engaging and interactive way. It usually contains various components such as flashcards, pictures, games, and activities that can help students understand and use new vocabulary more easily. And then some previous students are related to the topic. In this section, the research takes some previous studies, a reference that is reviewed for this study. The first researches conducted by Genoveva Duani study about improving English talk magic box game media for young people who drop out of school in Happy Village. And the second research conducted by Amalia R. et al. Study about the use of magic box game media to increase student vocabulary skill toward 6th grade at SDIT Multamaza Pandemau Pemerkasaan. And the third researchers conducted by Ririanti Sarhang and Dewi Furmana study about developing student vocabulary by using magic box game at SMP and Palopo. And the fourth researchers conducted by Novalina et al. Study about the magic box optimizing children's ability to recognize characters. And the fifth researcher conducted by Juton Nafis studi about penggunaan media Magic Box pada kelas siswa kelas 8 SMP Negeri 3 Marjasari semester genap tahun pelajaran 2019-2020 untuk meningkatkan keefektifan dan hasil belajar siswa pada mata pelajaran bahasa Inggris materi The Simple Present Tense. And all relevant studies show the Magic Box game media improve student vocabulary. Also, there are many opportunities to improve student vocabulary by using Magic Box game media. There are many research studies related to teach vocabulary by using Magic Box game media to see is there any significant difference in student vocabulary after using Magic Box game media. In fifth relevant study, the study conclude that the Magic Box can improve student vocabulary. In addition, there are several differences between previous study and this study. In previous study, only focus in significant differences in student vocabulary. But in this study, will be focused on the effectiveness of this vocabulary mastery by using Magic Box Game Media, especially at junior high school. And then, based on the background of the problem, the researchers formulated research question as follows. Is the Magic Box Game Media effective to teach vocabulary mastery? And the limitation of the problem, the research will be focused on the effectiveness of using Magic Box game media towards student vocabulary mastery at junior high school. And the significance of the study in the term of this research, the research having the three significance of the research can be stated as follows. Theoretically, this research will be useful in the classroom because it is a new teaching media that can make students motivated and easily their understanding of English vocabulary mastery. Apart from that, it can provide information to teacher about the Magic Box Game Media towards student vocabulary mastery. And then practically, the research of this research will be useful for English teacher and student towards student English vocabulary mastery. And the third is pedagogically. It can contribute and be useful. This research can inform the reader about effectiveness of Magic Box Game Media towards student vocabulary mastery at junior high school. And then the last, and rationally, the research want to investigate the effectiveness of using Magic Box Game Media towards student vocabulary mastery at junior high school. Indirectly, researchers also want to know what the factor contributed it, and this research will use quasi-experimental, where this method will help the researcher to provide evidence for the potential of Magic Box Game Media to learning vocabulary mastery at junior high school. And the research design and methodology. This research uses quantitative with the quasi-experimental research, and this research will apply quasi-experimental method whether the Magic Box game can develop vocabulary, especially about the vocabulary in junior high school. And the variable of the research in this research, the researchers classify into two somewhat variable. The first is independent variable is the use of the Magic Box media, and the second, the dependent variable is the student's vocabulary. Okay, that's all from me about my explanation in my draft proposal. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.